Sand Creek Brewing Company keeps the tradition of craft brewing alive in its 150-year-old facility in Black River Falls, Wisconsin. The original building, still used by Sand Creek today, has a storied history, beginning with the Olderbolts Brewing Company, beginning in 1856.
Where we're sitting right now is actually a very historic little place. It's a site. We're on the site of the first large-scale Western Wisconsin brewery.
Brewing returned to the facility in 1997 when the Pioneer Brewing Company began using the location. When Pioneer eventually decided to sell, Todd Krager, then brewmaster at Pioneer Brewing, and Jim Weissender, who was then operating the Sand Creek Brewing Company in Downing, Wisconsin, formed a partnership to take over the building. The two adopted the Sand Creek Brewing Company name, and the deal was signed on March 10, 2004.
Since then, we've been growing double-digit increases every year. The lowest increase we've ever had was about 30%, and the first 3 or 4 years it was all, 40, 50, 60% one year, and it's been a crazy run up here. This year's no different. We're running 30% up over last year.
Part of the company's success can be attributed to the overall growth of the craft beer market, says Weissender.
I got into the business back in 1999. The craft brewing segment was 0.5% of the overall beer market. That's nothing. However, now the market is sitting. The figures that I saw through the Brewers Association is that we're 4.5% of the total beer market. And what you're seeing is really a catharsis of the American beer drinker. They're looking for something that's not a mass-produced beer. They want to find out about the brewery. They want to find out about how beer is made.
Sand Creek is currently one of the only breweries in Wisconsin to engage in contract brewing, an agreement between an established brewer and a client in which the brewer will make and bottle beer to client specifications in exchange for compensation.
When we have excess capacity and that kind of stuff, then it makes sense for us to keep the tanks full. So we'd like to produce the beer out there going. We have 7 clients.
Sand Creek bottles the brews, while the clients are responsible for marketing, sales, and distribution of their products.
It does have its own unique challenges that you're dealing with in the contract business. There's a lot of trust, a lot of two-way trust that goes on here.
The company receives about 150 contract brewing requests every year, and because of the heavy demand and the company's own growth, the facility is currently at maximum capacity. With its fast-paced growth, Sand Creek is due to outgrow its current facility in the near future.
We're going to outgrow this place if things remain the same. I don't know, mid-year next year.
The company hopes to add an additional facility as business continues to expand.
We've already started the process of looking at these numbers, analyzing water, looking at what it's going to take to put it out there. We'll use the other facility, which will be a larger, much more commercial place. We'll be able to do 100-barrel batches of beer and have capacity of anywhere between 40 to 100,000 barrels as we add on more tanks and add things. Definitely something that we're looking for as far as adding into the future of what the brewery is going here.
Weissender says Sand Creek plans on keeping the Black River Falls location in its long-term business plan.
There's too much lore, there's too much goodwill about this place. This is where it all started.